Hello guys, my name is Rudragoda. Hope you all are doing good. In today's Dynatrace tutorial, we will learn about host group. First of all, what is host group? It is nothing but set up host which share the similar characteristic. For example, if you have hundreds of servers in your environment, in that one, 50 server is for the SQL related and 50 for the Citrix related. So in that case, you can create a host group. You can organize the data very easily. First, we learn about how to check the host group of individual host. Right now, I have connected to the Dynatrace console. Then search for host. Let me type host and click on the hosts tab. So in my environment, I have only one server that is with the Windows OS. So it will display the details here. I'll click on that particular host. At the top hand side, you will find an option called properties and tags. If you click on the properties and tags, we'll come to know what all are the host group for this particular server. So you are able to see all the details for this particular server. For example, detected name, what is the IP address, what is the OS version, and along with that, we have installed the one agent. So what is the version of that one? What level up mode is enabled? Is it a full stack or infrastructure mode? Then physical CPU cores, logical CPU cores, right? Along with that, here you will find a tab called host group, and next to that you will get the name of that host group. Since no host group is tagged to this particular machine, you are not able to see anything. So this is how you need to verify. Now, how we can assign the host group? So for that one, first you need to search deployment status. Here you will find an option called deployment status. Click on that, and here it will list out all the servers wherever one agent is installed. For example, I'll select this particular server, and at the below you are seeing an option called edit one agent. Click on this option, and here you will find modify the host group. So click on that and then run action. Okay, so now modify the host group for a one agent. Since we have selected only one, so you are seeing the count as one. And then this tab, specify the host group to be assigned. Here you can give the new host group name or you can use the existed. Okay, since I don't have any host group earlier, so you are not seeing anything. So what I will do, I will give you the one particular name for this particular host group. I will give it as Citrix host server. Okay, then I will click on next, and you are able to see, right, apply the changes for one entity. So it is going to reflect it on only one server. Click on apply changes and finally continue. Now what we have done, we have added a one host group for this particular server. So where you will see that information? Yes, if you refresh that one, you are able to see the same information on this particular console itself. Or else, as usual, you need to go back to the host tab, then click on particular host, and then inside the properties and tag. Okay, so it is taking little time here. I will go back to the host tab. Let me verify from that particular tab. Host, click on host. I'll click on my demo server. It will go to the next page where you will able to see the properties and tags. I will click on properties and tags. That host group detail should be displayed here. So still it is not displaying. Let us wait for a few seconds. It will come automatically. Yes, now it is reflecting properly. Earlier it was empty, right? Host group, it was not displaying anything. But now you are seeing Citrix host server. How it came here? Because we have added inside the deployment status. Now I will go back to the same console again, that is deployment status. We can verify from that place also. Let me show you. I'll go to deployment status, and here you are able to see that, right? Host group, Citrix host server. So in this way, you can assign the host group to the host. It is the manual method. That is nothing but from the GUI, graphical user interface. Like that, you can also assign the host group to the host by using the command line. Let me give a brief idea how we can do that. These all are the steps to assign a host to the host group by using the CLI. What we need to do? First, we need to go to the path where one agent is installed. We need to identify and we should go there. Most of the people, what they will do, they will just open a command line and they will try to execute this particular command, but it is not going to work in that way. We have to go to the path where exactly that one agent is installed. Let me see where it is installed on my machine. I will go to the file explorer, then I'll go to C drive, program files, Dynatrace, one agent, and then tools. Inside tool, you will find one agent CTL. Hope you are able to see that particular object. Correct? So this is the path where we have installed our one agent. So what I will do, I'll just copy this path, then I'll go to command prompt and then I'll click on enter. So from this particular place, we need to run this particular command. What is it? One agent ctl.exe, then host group equal to my host group. So it is not necessarily my host group. You can assign the name whatever of your choice. As I said in my previous example, Citrix server, like that, you can give it as a database server or anything. So what I will do, I'll just copy this one. Then I'll go to the command line again. Here I will execute. Okay. So now it will ask for the confirmation. I'll click on yes and it is running at the background. So now it is completed successfully. So whatever the things you do from the command prompt, you need to wait for a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, then only it will reflect in the GUI. Right now I executed this command. I need to wait for a few minutes to reflect the host group details inside the Dynatrace console. As usual, how or where you can verify that details? Yes, you need to go into deployment status, then click on this one agents and select the particular host where you want to see the host group details. Here you can clarify that point. First place and second place is you need to go to host and then go to the properties and tags. There also you will get the same information. Hope the things are clear now. Next, I have added few more commands here, that is net stop Dynatrace one agent and net start Dynatrace one agent. Few times what will happen, Dynatrace agent will not able to send the data to the console. In that situation, you need to restart the Dynatrace one agent. So that is nothing but stop and start. So this command you have to use that particular time. Net stop Dynatrace one agent is going to stop the service, and then net start Dynatrace one agent is going to start the service. Either you can take use of the command or you can directly go to the services.msc and search for Dynatrace one agent and you can restart from there also. Both the ways or whichever convenient for you, you can do that. Hope for everyone the concept is clear now. What is the importance of the host group? Let me clarify one more time. Consider we have 10 servers. In that one, 5 servers are belonging to SQL team and 5 servers are belonging to Azure Cloud for XYZ application. So if you want to make any configurational changes only for the 5 servers which are belonging to the SQL, then it will be really difficult to log in and check the status, check what all are the services installed, whether it is a Azure Cloud application related or a SQL related. It will take a lot of time, right? So to avoid that kind of confusion or that kind of work, Dynatrace provided a host group. You can create or you can apply the host group on the individual servers, and then by using the filtering of the host group, you can make the configurational level changes. Hope the session is useful for you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.